G'day everyone, so in this video we're looking at how we can apply Pythagoras' theorem. So forgive me while I try and draw, so it's not my strong suit here, but two poles are located 40 meters apart. With application questions it's always good to highlight the important information. So two poles 40 meters apart, and a rope links the top of the two poles. So there's a rope at the top of the two poles. Find the length of the rope, and the poles are 15 meters and 20 meters in height. Give your answer to two decimal places. Okay, so this is information in our question. With application, it's always best to draw out a little diagram. So I'm going to do that now, and forgive my drawing. So we've got two poles of 40 meters apart. Let's start with that. We've got one pole here, and we've got another pole here. Okay, and the distance here is 40 meters. Okay, a rope links the top of the two poles, so I'll draw that. So there's our rope in green. Find the length of the rope, so that's what we're trying to figure out. So I'm just going to label that X, and the poles are 15 and 21 meters in height. So the shorter one's going to be 15. Okay, give your answer correct two decimal places. Alright, so with this we need to try and work this out. So we've drawn a little diagram here. So now I like to actually break it up into a triangle. So our triangle would look something like this. Okay. So now we have a right angled triangle, because you need a right angled triangle to do Pythag. Okay, so I'm just going to draw out this triangle again. So got this here, got this side here, got that there, and a right angle. And then I'm going to fill in the values I know. So down the bottom, this is 40 meters, okay, because the poles are 40 meters apart. We've got X, that's what we're trying to work out. Now we need to try and work out this height of it. Okay, so our taller pole is 21 meters and our shorter pole is 15 meters. So that height's actually going to be the difference between that. So this is going to be 21 minus 15. So this is going to equal 6 meters. Alright, now we have our information, we can use Pythag. Okay, so we're finding the hypotenuse, so we can use c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So with this, we just need to fill in the blanks, and we should be alright. So c squared, so I'm just going to write this as x squared, because that's what I wrote in my question, is equal to a squared. It doesn't matter which side you use for these ones, remember. So 40 squared plus 6 squared. So we'll just work out those ones. So x squared is equal to 1,600 plus 36. So we've got x squared is equal to 1,636. And now we just need to square root both sides to find our unknown. So x here will equal 40.5 when you do it on your calculator, 40.45 meters. Okay, because it says to two decimal places. And just remember, this has a unit. Okay, so when a question has a unit in it, so the meters you'll see here, 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 make sure you have a unit in your answer. Okay, preferably the same one. So hopefully this helps with breaking down application questions. Good luck.